Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another video. Today in this video I am going to do a collective makeup and beauty haul. These are all the items which are purchased by me in the last few months. As you may know, we are in the second wave of the global pandemic, especially in India. The cases have skyrocketed, but thankfully right now while I'm speaking and making this video, the situation is kind of improving, although we are still waiting for the vaccination. I do not know when that happens, but I'm sure better things are coming soon. And we also went through the cyclone Tokte, and it was a very different kind of experience, kind of scary, kind of exciting as well, because for me as somebody who's in my 30s, I have never seen so much of wind blowing and rains at the same time. So it was a good experience, and Bombay is extremely hot and humid at this point, and for us to get so much rains, I was really happy because really it has lowered the temperature to a large extent. So we are safe, we are fine. I hope you guys are doing safe as well and are in the best of health. At this point, we have seen it all. We have seen COVID, we have seen Tokte, and I hope better things are coming. And we see better things in future. So hope is what keeps us going along. So I'm hoping for the best as well. For now, I'm going to show you all the makeup and beauty items in this collective haul. If this video interests you, please keep on watching. In general, if you like my content and if you'd like to support my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Hit on the bell icon which is provided next to that, so that whenever I upload you, YouTube will send you a notification. Enough of rambling now, let's get started with the video. Friends, I'm going to jump into the haul right away, but before that I just wanted to mention all the products that I have purchased are purely for review purposes, and some of them of course for personal use. So at this point, since the shops are closed, if you really want something you can purchase it online, although ये necessary नहीं है, तो ये totally आपके ऊपर है. जो भी products मैंने purchase किए हैं वो review के लिए है या फिर personal use के लिए. जैसे मुझे compact powder चाहिए था and the shops were not opening, and I waited for like nearly 1.5 months, like especially during my birthday time last month. I wanted to buy a few things from the shop, but unfortunately second lockdown came along and I couldn't do that. So whatever I wanted, time and again I have purchased it online. I just wanted to mention that before I start this video. So without wasting further time, let me show you all the products that I have. Now the first thing I would like to show is rose petal powder. So this is from the brand Alps Goodness. So this is how it looks like. This is like a powder which you use for your DIYs, like face pack, or you can use it in your hair. तो यहाँ पे पूरा instructions लिखा हुआ है. ये 50 grams का packet है, and it costs ₹90. I got this on a major discount. Like I bought 3 powders and I paid around 60 to 65 for each. So I got a really good deal because I always shop from purple.com. So it has a lot of things mentioned here, like for what you can use it. I majorly bought it so that I can use it in a face pack, and somehow I wanted to make a lot of videos, but blame it on low motivation or whatever, I didn't come around to making it. Definitely stay tuned for my future videos. I will try to post something on my shorts, or maybe on Instagram reels, or like a DIY or something. So please subscribe to my channel so that you're notified of my future videos. So yeah, this was the first thing that I have purchased. Now it comes in this sealed pack, which is really nice. And then if you have a container, you can definitely go ahead and store it. So this is how it looks like. I'm not taking the whole thing out because it might create a mess out here. So because I have different containers, I store empty containers, and whenever I bring powders like this, like multani mitti and stuff, I go ahead and put it in that container. So I'm so looking forward to trying this. I've tried it only once, but I will do future DIY videos hopefully. So yeah, this was the first product. Now the next thing that I got is a free product. It's a full sample size product. Now I am a member on the Purple app, which is their Elite program. So last year I had opted for the simple Elite program. This year I went for the Elite Plus one. So I paid around 300 something for the membership, and with that, whenever I paid that for that, I got a free product, and it was from Kama Ayurveda, and it is their pure rose water. This is how it looks like. Tell me you haven't heard of it. So it is quite expensive. ये इसका प्राइस 300 है, एंड आपको कितना फिर से 50 ml मिलता है. So this is not a new product for me. I have used it in the past, and let me tell you, they have increased the price by 50 rupees. I mean, talk about inflation. But I'm happy that I got this free. Now, this is actually pure rose water. It's like done in the distilled process format. So I'm kind of hell bent about such expensive rose water, but because I got it free, I'm really happy about it. Also, I've used it in the past. I had got it in one of my fab bag. So this is a made in India product, and it's almost pure, you can say. I would not say 100%, although they claim that way. And it says it is a face and body mist. मतलब आप अपने बगल पे, body पे भी इसको छिड़क सकते हैं. So I'm really happy I got this as a free product. So yeah, this is the next one. Alright friends, moving on, the next two products that I'm going to show you are not from India. They are from Dubai. So my sister-in-law got them from me. If you have watched my previous haul video, I did show you those blushes that she got me, and I had this product left out. I couldn't find it at that point, so I thought I'll show it in a separate haul video. But the first thing she gave me is this Max Touch Eye Plus Face Makeup Remover. So this is how it looks like. So I have heard of this brand Max Touch. I'm not sure if it is available in India. I have used one of their lipstick like way ago, like 8 or 10 years ago, and वो एक local shop से खरीदा था, कुछ 50 रुपए का होगा, I guess, not even that expensive. But I have not heard much about this brand out here in India, so I will do some research. If I find out about it, I'll definitely let you guys know. So it says alcohol free, which is a good thing, and I have used it on my eyes. It does take out the makeup effectively, so I would say it's really nice. Now it says alcohol free, but it does kind of smell like alcohol, and this is 8 dirhams, which would be like what, 28, like 150 रुपये का शायद वहाँ पे मिलता होगा according to the Dubai currency. So yeah, I'm really happy with this product that she gave me, and I have been using it and I have been liking it. The next thing she got for me, which I told her, was to get me petroleum jelly. So ever since I have grown up and I have known about makeup, beauty, I've always been obsessed with things you get abroad, especially petroleum jelly. And I know that the formula out there is different from our Indian petroleum jelly. So I wanted Vaseline, I believe, but she couldn't find that out there. So this is the one she got me. This is the Dabur Herboline Aloe Petroleum Jelly, and it says Vaseline at the bottom. So this is how it looks like. It's a huge tub. Can you see that? मतलब ये आराम से 5-6 महीना चल जाएगा. And it's a halal certified brand. It's what they say. It is 425 ml, and I have used it like quite a lot during December, Jan and Feb. My skin on the leg becomes so dry that it starts breaking off, and nothing works for me, not even coconut oil sometimes. So that is why I wanted to try petroleum jelly. So this is how it looks like. Can you see how much of it I've already used? And she got another small one. I guess it comes in a pack of 2, and I'm not sure what is the price. मतलब price जान के भी कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं, क्योंकि ये यहाँ पे मिलता नहीं है. But if you know somebody who's staying in Dubai, you could definitely tell them to get this for you. Or if you are from Dubai, you can go ahead and try this. This is really good for applying all over your body. Take off your makeup. You can also use it as a lip balm. So yeah, I'm really happy with this product, and this was the next thing. Alright friends, moving on, I do have a nail paint from Blue Heaven. It is their Blue Heaven Hyper Gel nail paint. The shade I have is 602, and it's called Amber Glow. So can you see that? 602, and this is how the nail paint looks like. So summers are in full swing right now, and I have not been able to change my nail polish. Like, can you see that? I'm such an idiot, but I need to go ahead and apply this next. I will be doing a swatch video, like a short video, hopefully after I film this one, and hopefully in the coming week, or when you're watching this video, you must have already seen the swatch of this one. So I cannot swatch it on my nail. I'll be doing a future video. So this price of this one is I think 95 rupees, but I got it for, yes, it is 95 rupees. And how much do you get? I cannot make out here. I'll mention it here on the screen. I got this for like 15 or 20 rupees. If you watched my previous video, I mentioned that once I got up in the morning, I was just checking the Purple app, and it was on a major discount, so I got it. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जुना पुराना product है, they wanted to get rid of it. Whatever the reason is, I'm really happy I got this for 15 rupees. Yeah, and this was the first makeup product. But friends, moving on, I have never had a makeup fixer or a makeup setting spray, so I was eyeing this one for a long time. This one is called the NY Bay Broadway Ready Makeup Fixer. So this is how it looks like. तो मैंने इसके बारे में काफ़ी reviews देखे थे, पढ़े थे, and I really wanted to try this one out. Now strangely, this product has always been out of stock on their Purple app, and even currently अभी भी ये stock में नहीं है. I don't understand, if somebody is really liking your product, why don't you stock it? So it's been like months. This product has been out of stock, so finally I got my hands on it. And the expiry date, if you check when you order online, expiry date नीचे mention किया होता है, हमेशा check करना चाहिए. So this was having an expiry of next year 2022. So I was like, fine, the bottle is really small, I'll be able to use it. But to my shock, when I got it, it just had 3 months of shelf life remaining. So I wrote to Purple and I got a refund for it. So I'm really happy about it. I can still use this for another 2 to 3 months, so I have just kept it. So this is how the product looks like. Strangely, यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है manufacturing expiry date, but if I check the box, here it is written out here. So this is really funny, and I really hope Purple stocks this, because it's supposedly a good makeup fixer. If I don't find it, or if they don't stock it, then I will move to some other brand, I guess. Now the smell of this is quite strong, but it seems okay. Now I have only tried it once, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. So I'll be trying this in the next few days, and I'll be sharing my review with you guys. So yeah, this was the next product. Alright friends, so moving on, I have two kajals to show you guys. So I do not know what is the thing, but during this current lockdown I've been like मुझे ये काजल try करना है, वो काजल try करना है. I was looking for something which I can use on a daily basis. So I got this kajal. In fact, I had bought this before the lockdown started and it was from a local shop. It is a Blue Heaven kajal and this is how it looks like. And can you see the price out here? It's only 12 rupees. तो एक ज़माने में ये 10 रुपये का मिलता था, अब ये 12 rupees का है. So some you might say like ये क्यों मतलब 10 रुपये का, like I'm cheap or something. It's nothing about cheap. If the product works, then it works. I have used it in the past. I wanted to see if they have done anything new in the formula. So this is how it looks like. You have to be a little gentle while applying it, and it has a very strong smell of camphor, and it's a cruelty free brand, so I trust the fact that it is Blue Heaven, and I purchased this and it's only for 12 rupees. So you can use this as an everyday kajal. I have tried it. It's not that it's not going to smudge. You can definitely set it with like a surma or a black eyeshadow if you're really intending to use it outside when you go out in the future. But for now घर के लिए ये काजल ठीक ठाक है, अच्छे से काम करता है. I may probably do a video about this in the future, so please stay tuned to my channel. So yeah, this was the first kajal I got. The next kajal I got is surprise, but it is the Lakme kajal. Now tell me you haven't heard of this. In fact, this was the very first kajal that I have tried in my whole life. Like when I used to go to work, this the Lakme compact and probably a lipstick. These are the only three things that I would use. Now in my previous videos, like last year before that, I did mention that I don't like this kajal. But somehow I thought I'll give it another try because I saw somewhere on Instagram somebody was using, तो मैंने सोचा इसको फिर से try कर लेते हैं. Also you get a lot of product, like ये 75 rupees का है और इसमें 2 ग्राम प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. तो अगर आप एक काजल लोगे तो आराम से, अगर आप इवन डेली यूज़ करते हो तो इसको मतलब 5-6 महीने तक आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So nothing fancy. This is how it looks like, and this is how the swatch is. So it's not like very dark or something, and you'll have to go over it like couple of times, which I'm absolutely okay with. And it doesn't have a very strong smell, but yes, camphor तो definitely सब kajals में होता ही है. If you're looking for an everyday kajal, this is good, but mind you, it smudges like hell. So you'll have to set it with a powder or a powder eyeshadow. Like यहाँ पे पाउडर लगा सकते हो ताकि वो ठीक से अप्लाई हो and it doesn't flake off. It has a very like an oily kind of formula, तो ये एकदम मैट वाला लुक नहीं देता है. So you will have to put like an eyeshadow and set it, so that way you'll be able to make this kajal last. So yes, this was the next kajal that I purchased. Alright, moving on. So I do have a compact powder to show you guys, and as I mentioned during the starting of the video that I wanted a compact powder really bad. All of my compact powders have expired, and the L18 one I have already hit pan on that. So I was really craving for an powder because I do make videos, so मुझे वहाँ पे powder use करना पड़ता है. I do have 1-2 powders here and there, but a compact powder is something I did not have. So Blue Heaven had launched, in fact they have launched some oil something powder. It comes in a black case, and I was eyeing that powder for such a long time, and it's always out of stock. Even currently while I'm talking to you, it's out of stock on Nykaa, on Purple, and दुकानें तो खुली नहीं है, तो मिलता भी नहीं यहाँ पे Blue Heaven का product. So since I knew that it's never going to come in stock, I opted for this one. This is the Blue Heaven Matte Effect Compact Powder. So this is how it looks like, and I'm so happy that it is yellow in color. That is one thing which attracted me to this product. Also it says matte effect, तो currently बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है and you need a powder to set your makeup and keep it matte. So I thought this is going to be the best thing to buy right now. So this one is priced at rupees 150. I got it for 105, which means I got 30 or 40% discount. Again, I'm very happy about the fact. And look at the packaging, it's so cute, and it kind of reminds me of the Lakme compact. वहाँ पे भी एक येलो वाला कॉम्पैक्ट आता है. So it says sunscreen, but कुछ लिखा नहीं है शायद इसके ऊपर, which is quite funny. And I think this is a problem with most Blue Heaven face product. लिखते हैं sunscreen but mention नहीं करते हैं. So let me show you how it looks like. This is how the shade looks like, and the shade I got is natural. And if I have to swatch it, it's so smooth. It's very smooth. It applies really well on the face. The only con I find is it's like heavily scented. अगर आपको heavily scented products पसंद नहीं है, then you can stay away from this and you can try a different brand. But I guess most of the compact powders are scented. So it looks really cute. It comes with a nice puff. It gives you matte effect. It's सिर्फ 105 rupees का आता है. So I think there's nothing better than this. I'm really happy with this purchase. Alright friends, so moving on, this is the last part of the video, and can my video be complete without talking about lip products and lipsticks? Hell no, right? So I have 3 products to show you guys, and 2 lipsticks are from Blue Heaven, and the first product I have is in fact from Insight. Cosmetics. It is their long wear color rich lip gloss. So this is how the packaging looks like. The shade I got is number 1 and it's called Frost. And this is the lip gloss I'm wearing today. Isn't it beautiful? It gives a nice plumping effect to the lips. It has a nice shine to it and it is clear, and this is something I've been really craving for, like a clear lip gloss. I'm so happy I found this one. So this is how the packaging looks like, and let me show you the wand. I'm not sure if it will be visible on camera. ये एकदम फ्लैट वाला wand है तो application बहुत easy हो जाता है. So this lip gloss is something I would highly recommend. Like in 81 rupees you're getting a lip gloss and it's a little bit sticky which makes it last more on the lips. तो ये देखो मैंने अभी 20 मिनट पहले लगाया हुआ है, still showing up on my lips. Of course if you eat something, if you drink something, it will wear off, and that is the case with every clear lip gloss. But you're getting one for 81 rupees. And let me just check how much grams do you get. You get 4 ml and this is 81 rupees. You get it on Nykaa, you get it on Amazon, you get it on Flipkart, and you get it on Purple. So I got it from Purple. I will provide the Amazon link from where you can purchase it. I'm really happy with this purchase. Like, can you see that it looks so nice on the lips, and this is something I've been using regularly. लिप्स को मॉइस्चराइज भी करता है, एक बढ़िया सा शाइन देता है. इसको आप अपने लिपस्टिक्स के ऊपर भी लगा सकते हो. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. Alright friends, so lastly I have 2 lipsticks to show you guys, and these are from Blue Heaven and they are their newest launches. They are called the Blue Heaven Powder Matte Lipstick. So it does come in this kind of packaging. ये इसका cardboard packaging है, and I will show you the lipstick in a minute. Now I purchased a couple of shades and I just have 2 right now. I'll be showing you the next ones in the following haul video, which will hopefully be next month, or I do not know when. Let's see, when I do the haul video I will show you guys. So I got 2 shades right now. The first one is called Dahlia Fields PM02 and Barbie Doll PM01, and both are from the Pink family. So they do have a color coded sticker out here. इसका expiry date 3 साल का है and it's a pure matte lipstick. So it goes on creamy but it settles to a matte finish. I'll not be discussing a lot about these lipsticks because I'm going to do a dedicated video, so stay tuned for that. So the first lipstick I have is Dahlia Fields PM02. And let me tell you, these are the best lipsticks I have tried. So this is how it looks like. A very pinky purpley kind of color. Very nice and suitable for my type of skin color. Although I was expecting this color to be a little lighter than what it is here. Now what it appears in the tube and how it looks on the lips are 2 separate things. So always remember that. But I'm totally happy with this one. It is called Barbie Doll PM01. So this बोलते हैं ना, उम्मीद से भी better लगा मेरे को. तो ये ऐसा दिखता है. So I feel this shade will purely suit somebody who is of fair to medium skin color. It's a like a blue based pink color. I have used this in my previous video, like a real talk video, chit chat video. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो देख लीजिए. I have worn this lipstick in that video. So I will be buying more shades. The problem with this whole range is that there are certain shades which are in high demand and the brand is not stocking it. Also on their website they have done something and their website is not functioning, like all the products are not there, because I wanted to like a proper haul from the Blue Heaven website, so I have to check out here and there. And because I am an elite member on the Purple app, I prefer buying from there because I get free shipping. So I have 2 shades which I have shown you now, and I have 1 more, and probably I'll buy 1 or 2 more, and then I'll do like a comprehensive detailed video. So yes guys, these were all the makeup products I wanted to show in this collective haul. Alright friends, so that is a wrap for today. Those were all the products I wanted to show in this collective haul video. I hope you guys like this video, found it helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have been shopping online, which website do you normally go for, and what is something that you have recently purchased. Also any video ideas, suggestion, please mention in the comment section below. If you are a new subscriber, hi and welcome to my channel, and please keep on watching my videos so that I hit my target of the watch hours, which is a big problem on my YouTube channel. Yeah, so this is it. This is all I wanted to mention. Please give this video a big like, share it on your social media, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.